Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore title search workflow using First American Title detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your title search workflow using First American Title, begin by accessing the First American Title website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Navigate to the title search section from the main dashboard. Select the type of title search you wish to perform, such as residential or commercial. Enter the property address or the legal description in the search field. Make sure to fill in all required fields to ensure accurate results. Click on the search button to initiate the query. Once the search results are displayed, review the list of available properties. Select the specific property you wish to research further. Next, assess the property's title report for any existing liens or encumbrances. Examine the chain of title to trace ownership history. If needed, download the title report for your records. In case of discrepancies or missing information, consult the help resources provided by First American Title. Utilize the customer support option available on the platform for any complex inquiries. Once you've completed your review, take note of any actions required based on your findings. Document any critical information or contacts that may need follow-up. Finally, securely log out of your account after finishing your session. Check back periodically for updates or changes in your title search process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.